Something that I do often when modeling in Maya is bridging edges. Here I have an apartment building that I'm modeling, and there's a roof section that is wide open and I need to close it up. And the perfect way to do this would be to bridge the edges here and here. Anytime you have two corresponding edges that would make a quad in the middle, you can bridge them. So this is great. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you just right click on your mouse and switch to edge mode, if you're not in it already, you can select the edges. You're going to shift select the two edges that you want to connect. Then you can do two things. You can go to poly modeling and hit this tool here, which is bridge on that tab, or you can go to edit mesh and then bridge from there. I selected that and it bridged up that gap with this new piece of geometry. I can also change things about the bridge, the divisions. If I slide that, it moved the divisions up to 4. I can twist taper, but I'm going to undo that because I actually don't want to change anything. This is perfect the way it is. I am going to show you one more thing. You can bridge multiple edges at once, which is awesome. So if I now shift select all of the edges on this side, there's 4, and then all of the edges on this side, also 4, so they match. I can now go up here to the bridge tool like I showed you, or go to edit mesh bridge, and it closes up and it's perfect. So that's it. And the edges on this side closed up too. Everything is neat and tidy and it's looking good. I hope this helped you guys. Please join me for more videos.